You know that dream, right? The one where you finally get the perfect retirement home. Not just a place to live, but something bigger, better, a real reward for a lifetime of work. It's a fantastic dream, but we gotta weigh it against the financial reality. So let's dive in and break down how to do that.
So, let's be honest here. Is this something you've been thinking about? You know, trading up for a home that's got more space, maybe some nicer amenities, or just a whole different lifestyle? If that's you, trust me, you are not alone. It's such an appealing idea, isn't it? But what's really driving this dream for so many people? Let's take a look at the common reasons folks want to go bigger right as they're heading into retirement.
And you know what? These reasons make total sense. Of course you want room for your hobbies, space for the grandkids to run around, a guest room for when family visits. But check out this really practical one. Locking in a home while you can still easily qualify for a mortgage. That's a smart thought. And then, of course, there's the biggest driver of all, that feeling of a well-deserved reward for all those years of hard work.
Okay, but here's where the dream meets the balance sheet. Upsizing isn't just about a bigger mortgage payment. It brings a whole bunch of other costs that can seriously mess with your long-term security if you're not super careful. Let's break this down. It's like a tug of war, right? On one side, you've got all these amazing lifestyle benefits, but on the other, you've got some pretty serious financial risks. Higher taxes, higher insurance, more maintenance, those things can become a constant drain on a fixed income. And here's a crucial point, liquidity. Tying up a big chunk of your cash in a house means there's less available for emergencies or, long-term care down the road.
And this, right here, this is probably the biggest hidden danger of all, opportunity cost. See, when you pull money out of your retirement accounts, you're not just losing that money. Oh no, you are losing all the potential growth that money could have earned for the next 10, 20, even 30 years. Seriously, think about it. That 50 grand you pull out today could have easily been worth $150,000 in 20 years. That loss compounding is a massive and often invisible cost.
So how in the world do you know if this dream is actually a smart move for you? Well, let's walk through a pretty simple litmus test. We can break it down into two clear camps, who should think about it and who should probably hit the pause button. You're likely in a really good position to consider this if you can check these boxes. The absolute key is having more guaranteed income than you need for your monthly bills. Having solid insurance plans in place and maybe working a few more years, well, that provides a huge financial cushion.
Now, on the flip side, these are major red flags. If you have to raise your 401k or IRA to make this happen, or if your fixed income is already stretched thin, taking on a bigger property is just incredibly risky. And please, never ever assume you can just sell the house for a big profit later. The market is just too unpredictable for that kind of gamble.
So, what if you recognize some of those risks in your own situation? Is the dream totally over? Not at all. It just means you need a rock-solid plan. A secure income plan can give you the stability you need to make this a safe, responsible choice. Okay, one of the best tools for this is something called a GLWB. That stands for Guaranteed Lifetime Withdrawal Benefit. I know, it sounds super complicated, but the idea is actually really simple. It's like creating your very own personal pension. It's a feature on some annuities that gives you a contractually guaranteed paycheck for the rest of your life, no matter what the stock market does.
And this is the whole point. A GLWB creates a reliable financial floor. It's a baseline of income you know you can count on every single month, come rain or shine. And once you have that security in place, well, those higher property taxes, that bigger insurance bill, all the new costs of a bigger home become manageable instead of scary.
The other big piece of the puzzle is getting back some of that liquidity you lose when you buy a house. And insurance is the perfect tool for that. A life insurance policy can pay off the mortgage so your spouse isn't left with that burden. Long-term care insurance can protect your home from having to be sold to pay for health care. And if you're still working, disability insurance protects your ability to make those payments. It's all about creating a financial safety net around your dream.
All right, so once you've built that secure income foundation, there are also some really practical ways to make the purchase itself more affordable. Let's run through a few smart strategies. So some of these are pretty straightforward, right? Always shop around for the best rates, that's a no-brainer. And buying just a little bit under your max budget, that is a great way to protect your cash flow for those unexpected costs that always pop up. Oh, and look at this one. Working just one extra year, that can make a huge difference in your savings and delay when you need to start taking withdrawals. These little tweaks can have a massive long-term impact.
Okay, we've covered a lot of ground here. The dream, the risks, and the solutions. So what's the big takeaway from all this? How do you move forward from here?
It all really comes down to this. The dream of a bigger retirement home is absolutely 100% achievable, but it has to be built on a solid foundation of secure, predictable, and guaranteed income. That is the thing that turns it from a risky gamble into a smart, enjoyable reality.
Now, building that foundation can feel a little complex, but you definitely don't have to figure it all out by yourself. If you'd like to explore how a secure income plan could work for you, we at The Annuity Expert are here to help. Our advice and our services are always completely free. You can reach us at 770-755-1565 or find us online at annuityexpertadvice.com.
So I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. When you picture that dream retirement home, is it built on hope? Or is it built on a truly secure financial foundation? Taking the time to answer that honestly is the most important step you can possibly take.